and welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use the Find It at UofSC search box. To begin, you will want to go to the library homepage, sc.edu/libraries. Once you navigate to the library homepage, your screen will look something like mine. Now you will want to scroll down just a little bit until you see the search options. In this video, we are just going to be looking at that first box, Find It at UofSC. So let's say you've heard a lot about a book and you want to see if UofSC Libraries has that book in their collection. What you can do is just put in the title of that book into the search box and hit search. It will take a few moments for the next page to load, and you'll actually see what we are looking for as the first result. So I am going to click on the title here, and a new little window is going to pop up in your tab. And this new screen will give you information about the book. So we have the title, the author, when it was published, where you can access the book, and the call number. If you keep scrolling down, you will find a details section, and this has a great deal of information. For this particular book, we have a description and the content. You will just want to write down that call number and head to the Thomas Cooper Library to retrieve the book, or click on this Get It option. You'll need to sign in to request the book. Be sure to check our YouTube page and the Tutorials LibGuide to see more tips and tricks about searching Find It at UofSC. Have a great day!